Hi folks, Roger Bain from Bain Custom Woodworking in Mount Juliet, Tennessee, right outside of Nashville, Tennessee. Today I want to talk about my masks. The masks I use both inside my shop and outside my shop to protect my lungs. Also, some of my masks protect my eyes and my full face depending on the job that I'm using. All of the masks that I will talk about today are from a company named Parcil Safety, Parcil. Wonderful company to deal with, great people to work with as well. I'm going to show you 4 different masks. At the end of this video, down in the comments, I will put a discount code that you can use to get a discount on any of these masks and any of the filters. Full transparency, the discount code will give you some money off, but will also pay me a certain percentage for promoting their product. But that doesn't stop me from promoting their product with my true reviews. They provided both of the half face masks for me, but I purchased these 2 masks before that. So I've got a good range of variety here that I can work with, but all of them do certain jobs for me. So let's talk about the first one that I use, and that is the PD100. This is a full face mask. Good solid mask in front that's protecting my face and my eyes. Obviously I don't wear safety glasses in here, nor do I wear my regular glasses in here, but this protects my face. I use this 90% of the time when I'm using my grinder, where I'm grinding some logs or slabs that I've purchased, or my level sled, because they're throwing chunks up in the air where my safety glasses would stop them from coming in my eyes. This is going to stop everything. It's not coming to my eyes, it's not hitting my face. If you've ever been hit in the face by a chunk of wood, that hurts. The thing I like about this is this seals really well around my beard. I don't have to worry about that. I put that on. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different places that you can adjust and tighten this up. Works very, very well. I've taken this apart and cleaned it, but if you notice, I've got all the dust left on all of my masks. I want you to see the dust that this is collecting, and all of my masks are, that's stopping it from coming to my face or into my lungs. These filters come off very easily and they screw back on. This one's missing the front piece because that's got dust in it from last time I used it. And there is a filter that goes on the front of that, so it's catching some of the small particles before it even gets here. Now, I'm not going to talk about the filters, and there are multiple filters that Parcil sells. They are experts at this. I'm just talking about the mask. Let them help you decide which is the best filter for you. But this PD100, I love this mask. Every job that's going to throw chunks of wood or dust at me, this mask gets its work out. And as you can see, it's pretty messy because I was using this most of the week. This is the PD100 full face mask. Let's go to the half face. This is the T61. This one has got the P3P particular, whatever, I can't say that word, filters on them. This works really well. It seals up against my beard without any problem, so I can put it right on. It works with my glasses. I use this a lot in the shop when I'm using my my sander with some black walnut, or my table saw sometimes if it's not getting all of the dust. The black walnut's really fine, so is poplar, really fine dust. I want to protect, that's what I use this. It fits very, very well. Again, as the other one did, this seals against my mask very well, or my beard. Let's talk about my new favorite. This one is the T90, again, half face, but look, it's only going around my nose and my mouth. It's really nice. I love this. Oh, sorry. I love this mask. It's got one filter up here. You can put multiple type of filters on here, but you're not getting the full, it's not coming way around your face. So it's cooler. I find it not to be as warm when I'm working. This is my go-to inside. When I'm sanding a lot of things, well, I really like this T61. This T90 has become my fan favorite. I put this on if I'm at my table saw or if I'm doing a lot of sanding with my hand sander where it's throwing some dust up because the dust collection system's not getting everything. This is my go-to. Goes on easy, comes off easy, doesn't get warm. I can breathe really well with it. I really, really like this. It seals around. It gives my glasses some good shots as well. Again, this is the T90 half face. This is really my go-to one inside the shop. Let's talk about outside the shop. We all mow the lawn, or most of us mow our lawns. Springtime, you get the dandelions, and you've got a lot of pollen in the air, and sometimes that grass gets a little, that smell is great, but sometimes it might get in your nose and your mouth a little bit, and it just kind of irritate things. I like this AG100. This little guy, I wear this when I'm mowing the lawn at times because it fits well, it seals well, and really it's protecting some of that dandelion pollen that's getting in. And the filters are really easy to change. You flip this guy off, over, take this out, you replace it. Really nice. I like this one. I use this when I'm out mowing the lawn, and it closes right up really tight, and it seals again right up tight against my face, so I'm not worried about it, and it's not bulky. It really has the footprint of this T90, which is nice. So if you can see them, they both have the same face print, lack of better terms. So when they seal up, they're good. So I like to use this AG100 when I'm outside mowing the lawn sometimes. So again, let's recap what I've talked about here. These masks are all from Parcil Safety, P-A-R-C-I-L. The PD100 is my full face mask. I love this thing. I use this a lot. The T61 is my half mask with 2 filters, but my go-to lately is the T90 half mask with the single filter. I really like this. And then the AG100 I've talked about for doing the lawns. Now, this is a great company. They're easy to deal with. I talk to them on a regular basis if I have any questions. There are multiple filters that this company produces. I'm not a filter guy. Let them help you decide which is the best filter for you. But as far as the masks, these are my go-tos. I use them on a regular basis. They're hanging in my shop. Normally I keep them cleaner than this, but I wanted you to see how dirty and dusty they get as I'm using them. But I have no doubt when I put these masks on, I am not filling my nose, my mouth, my eyes, or my lungs with any of this nasty dust that is in a shop. Have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will give you whatever I can. If I can't answer them, I will send you to Parcil Safety. Again, there is a discount code in the comments below. Go ahead and use that to save yourself some money. But again, as I've always said, keep making sawdust. Thank you for listening.